Ladies and gentlemen, the DeHavilland head down to Australia in 22 hours. All the high-tech navigation aids to help the pilots find their way there. This was very basic flight, very risky. And regarded as one of the most So why is it included in the military flying display today? Well, quite simply because the Air Ministry at the time did evaluate the aircraft to see if it would have a military role, and there was actually a serious, sinister discussion involving the Comet to see whether it could be used on an assassination attempt. Wheels up restoration, but their return to the skies will be a lot more. And there is a
Please wait until they taxi in and shut down. Then they will be able to
So 2 outages today with the Shuttleworth Comet. Nicked over to Grosvenor to take part in their display this afternoon and then returned to home turf.